In the heart of Punjab, Pakistan, a voice emerged that would challenge centuries of religious dogma, ignite fierce debates, and inspire millions to rethink their understanding of Islam. This is the story of engineer Muhammad Ali Mirza, a man who walked away from a government engineering post to become one of the most controversial and influential Islamic reformers of our time. Early life and education. Born on October 4, 1977, in Jhelum, engineer Muhammad Ali Mirza grew up in a modest household. His father, Mirza Arshad Mahmud, worked at Allied Bank. From an early age, Ali Mirza showed a keen interest in both science and religion, two worlds that would later collide in his career. He pursued mechanical engineering at the University of Engineering and Technology, Taxila, graduating with honors. His academic rigor and analytical mindset laid the foundation for his future role as a religious scholar. Career in engineering. Mirza began his professional journey as a mechanical engineer in the government of Punjab, reaching grade 19 as a general manager in the defense ministry. But his passion for religious research was growing stronger. He spent his evenings studying the Quran and Hadith, often questioning the sectarian interpretations that dominated mainstream discourse. Eventually, his rising popularity and outspoken views led to pressure from his department. Faced with a choice between career and conviction, Mirza chose the latter, resigning from his post and stepping into the public eye as a full-time religious reformer. Rise on YouTube. In 2014, engineer Muhammad Ali Mirza launched his official YouTube channel. His videos, delivered in Urdu, Punjabi, and English, quickly gained traction. With over 3 million subscribers and 675 million views, his channel became a hub for religious discourse, attracting viewers from South Asia, the Middle East, the UK, and North America. Mirza's approach was unique. He rejected sectarianism, emphasized unity among Muslims, and advocated for a return to the Quran and authentic Hadith. His lectures were bold, direct, and often controversial. Philosophy and teachings. Engineer Mirza's core philosophy revolves around non-denominational Islam. He believes that no sect is entirely right or wrong, and that salvation lies in following the true teachings of Prophet Muhammad, PBUH, as preserved in the Quran and Sahih Hadith. He openly prays behind followers of all sects, Sunni, Shia, Deobandi, Barelvi, Wahhabi, Hadith, and urges his listeners to avoid sectarian conflict. However, he does not consider Qadianis and Nuzaris as Muslims. Citing theological deviations, his research academy in Jhelum serves as a platform for deep religious study, where he engages with scholars, students, and critics alike. Controversies and criticism. With fame came friction. Engineer Mirza's critiques of revered saints and scholars sparked outrage among traditionalists. His views on Muawiyah I, the first Umayyad caliph, led to a public feud with Deobandi scholar Mufti Tariq Masood. In 2021, a highly anticipated debate between the two was postponed, then reignited months later. Masood claimed victory, while Mirza's supporters argued the debate was never properly conducted. Another clash occurred in 2023 with Barelvi scholar Mufti Hanif Qureshi. Despite arriving at Mirza's academy, Qureshi was denied entry with recording equipment, leading to accusations of evasion and self-declared victory, legal challenges and assassination attempts. Mirza's outspoken nature made him a target. In May 2020, he was arrested on charges of hate speech against religious scholars. Public figures like Hamza Ali Abbasi condemned the arrest, and Mirza was released within days. In 2021, he survived a knife attack during a weekly meeting at his academy. The assailant had traveled from Lahore with the intent to kill. Mirza escaped with minor injuries, and the attacker was arrested. A third attempt occurred in August 2023, when another attacker tried to storm the academy with a sharp weapon. Security guards overpowered him, and investigations were launched. Achievements and legacy. Despite the controversies, engineer Muhammad Ali Mirza has achieved remarkable milestones. He received YouTube's Silver and Gold Creator Awards, built a thriving research academy, and inspired a generation to question blind faith. His lectures have sparked intellectual curiosity, encouraged intersect dialogue, and challenged the monopoly of traditional scholars. His net worth from YouTube alone is estimated between $177,000 and $1.06 million, a testament to his influence, and impact. Mirza's influence extends beyond Pakistan. His followers span continents, and his message resonates with Muslims seeking clarity in a world of religious confusion. He's been influenced by thinkers like Abul Ala Maududi, Israr Ahmed, Javed Ahmad Ghamidi, and Zakir Naik, yet he carves his own path, often challenging even his inspirations. His critics accuse him of arrogance, selective interpretation, and disrespect. But his supporters see him as a reformer, a truth seeker, and a voice of reason in a polarized religious landscape. The road ahead, engineer Muhammad Ali Mirza continues his mission to unite the Ummah, expose contradictions, and promote Islam based on evidence and reason. He remains committed to staying in Pakistan, despite threats and legal battles. His resilience, intellect, and unwavering belief in truth make him one of the most compelling figures in contemporary Islamic discourse. Love him or loathe him, engineer Muhammad Ali Mirza has reshaped the conversation around Islam. In a world divided by sects, he dares to ask, what if we just followed the Quran and the Prophet's authentic teachings? This is not just the story of a man. It's the story of a movement. And it's far from over. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Is engineer Muhammad Ali Mirza a reformer or a rebel? Let's talk.